If you've ever tried to slice a tomato with a dull kitchen knife, you already know the frustration. The blade slips, the tomato squishes instead of cutting cleanly, and suddenly cooking feels like way more effort than it should be. A lot of home cooks deal with this every day without realizing the real problem isn't their cooking skills. It's their knives. So today we're taking a close look at the Imarku Japanese high-carbon stainless steel knife set with block, a 14-piece kitchen knife set that promises razor-sharp performance, better balance, and a built-in sharpener designed to keep your knives working like new. This set is clearly designed for people who cook at home regularly but don't want to spend a fortune on professional chef knives. It aims to give you a complete toolkit for everyday cooking while keeping things simple and practical. In the box, you get an 8-inch chef knife, bread knife, slicing knife, a santoku knife, utility knife, paring knife, 6 serrated steak knives, kitchen shears, and a hardwood storage block with a built-in sharpener. On paper, that covers pretty much everything you need for daily meal prep. The first thing that stands out when you take these knives out of the block is how clean and modern the design feels. The blades are forged from high-carbon stainless steel, which is the kind of material most cooks look for because it holds an edge well while still resisting rust and stains. Instead of feeling flimsy or lightweight like many budget knife sets, these have a solid, balanced feel in the hand. The handles are designed with a non-slip grip and a contoured shape that naturally fits your palm. That might sound like a small detail, but when you're chopping vegetables for 10 minutes straight or prepping ingredients for a big dinner, that comfort actually matters a lot. Another nice touch is the overall balance. The weight distribution between the blade and handle feels intentional, which makes cutting feel controlled instead of awkward. Even if you're not used to handling sharper knives, these feel stable and predictable. And visually, the hardwood knife block looks clean on a kitchen counter without taking up too much space. Where this set really tries to stand out is the sharpness. Each blade is honed to around a 10 to 15 degree edge angle, which is sharper than many standard Western kitchen knives. In everyday use, that means slicing through onions, chicken, herbs, or tomatoes feels smooth instead of forcing the blade through ingredients. The chef's knife, in particular, handles most kitchen tasks comfortably, from chopping vegetables to slicing meat. The built-in sharpener in the block is another practical feature. Instead of needing a separate sharpening tool, you can quickly touch up the blade by sliding it through the slot. For home cooks who don't want to learn knife sharpening techniques, this keeps things simple and helps maintain the edge over time. In real cooking scenarios, the knives feel quick and efficient. Vegetables cut cleanly, herbs chopped without bruising, and the bread knife moves easily through crusty loaves without crushing them. The steak knives also deserve a quick mention because they're actually quite sharp compared to what usually comes in knife sets. Cleaning is also pretty straightforward. Technically, the knives are dishwasher safe, which is convenient for busy households. That said, like most quality knives, hand washing will help preserve the edge longer. A quick rinse and dry is usually enough to keep them looking good. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things worth mentioning. While the built-in sharpener is convenient, it's not quite as precise as using a dedicated sharpening stone. Serious knife enthusiasts may still prefer sharpening their blades manually. Also, while the steel is durable and corrosion-resistant, it's still best treated with a bit of care to keep the edge performing its best over time. In terms of value, this set sits in an interesting middle ground. Compared to cheaper department store knife blocks, the Imarku set generally feels sharper and more thoughtfully designed. On the other hand, if you compare it to premium brands like Wusthof or Shun, those knives will still have slightly better steel and craftsmanship, but they also cost dramatically more, often several times the price for a full SET.S. Where does that leave this one? The Imarku knife set makes the most sense for home cooks who want a noticeable upgrade from basic kitchen knives without stepping into the expensive professional category. It's especially good for people setting up a new kitchen, upgrading an older knife block, or looking for a practical gift that will actually get used. Overall, it's a well-rounded knife set that focuses on sharpness, balance, and convenience rather than flashy marketing claims. It's not pretending to be a professional chef's $1,000 knife collection, but for everyday cooking, it gets a lot of things right. If you want to check the current price or see more details about this knife set, I've left a link down in the description. And if this video helped you decide whether it's worth it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews that actually help you choose the right gear for your kitchen.